like I was away. All right, so let's start off with what's power in this boat. So SeaRay has the integrated quick release latch. Pull that, engine compartment lifts up on its own. And we have a 4.5 V6 250 horsepower Mercruiser. Now this is going to be an amazing combination for this boat. Keep it a really quiet package and just a really good experience out on the water. Now let's go ahead and look at the compartment that's next to our engine compartment here. This is where all the tables are stored for this boat, where you can have them mounted here in the cockpit area to give you that nice table for you to eat food on. Of course, you got your of course, you have your included cooler storage placed right here. Easily pull this cooler out of place and be able to access it very easily. Now you can notice a few more other panels stuffed in here. Here we have an access panel for servicing, making mechanics' lives a lot easier. Now off to the starboard side here, we have a few more storage compartments. As you can see, there is a mat laid down here, so you can make sure all your stuff stays in place, doesn't get scarred up or anything like that. Easily throw that seat back in place, and you're good to go. Now, of course, you have to always have an inboard cooler on here. This one is self-draining, so you don't have to worry about that residual water at the end of the day, making life really easy when you go to pack this thing up. Now, going on with that storage, underneath our beautiful vinyl snap-in carpet here, you'll see we have a very expansive and redesigned ski locker here. So here, this is where your cover is stored at. Not only that, you do have additional storage off to both port and starboard side inside of this compartment, giving you a little bit more flexibility what you can fit in here. Just clip this out of the video. All right, guys, now let's step further into the cockpit where all the action is going to be happening. So right here at our captain's chair, I want to point out a lot of awesome features that we have included as a flip-up bolster, making it so much easier for you to view over the windshield and making docking a lot easier. Now, got a very nice dash here with the Simrad Go5 integrated in it, making GPS and chart plotting really easy, and you can navigate and see all that information on there. Now, one thing I really like about SeaRay is that they separate the entertainment panel from where the engine operates. So on this panel here, we can turn on our courtesy lights, which are placed all around the boat here, one being back at that walk-through at the stern. And then our second courtesy light being up in the bow area, making it easy for everybody to see, and also having a underfoot light here so you can navigate around that much easier. Now, if that wasn't enough lighting for you, we also do have an accent switch on here. What this does is it turns on all the lights that are inside the cup holders, also giving you the two strip lights under the bow seats there. Really adds to the look of this boat. Now, like I said, they keep all the entertainment off to one side. So you do have a Fusion radio included here. This is connected via Bluetooth or even USB or auxiliary port, making it easy for anybody to hook up any kind of phone or iPod device. Now off to our right side of our steering wheel here. Like I said, making it very simple and keeping all of the engine and proper functions in one place. So obviously have your ignition off to the left side here. Then we have our bilge pump toggle switch. Really easy to see how these switches engage too. Bilge blower for after you fuel up and start the day. And like I said, keeping everything nice and separated so it's easy for you to flip those switches without even having to think about it. Now, our co-captain's chair here Has the same exact features as our captain chair. Able to flip up that bolster to get a little higher seating to be able to see around you a lot easier. Now, this 23 SPX also comes with a beautiful head with an included porta potty. And very, very nice, satisfying close. Listen to that. Now, let's walk up here to the bow. Obviously, this is one of the best seats in the house, so you got to have plenty of leg room for one and plenty of padding so that you're very comfortable in here. You do have grab handles off the both port and starboard side. And then you do have included storage off to both port and starboard side under these seats. Storage off to the front of your compartment as well, making it that much easier to store all your amenities. And again, more storage off to the other seat. Now, another thing to take note of, we do have another ski locker included on here. If the storage wasn't good enough already, you have another expansive spot to put all of your water toys at. That is a watertight seal. Are you ready? All right, guys. My name is Connor. I'm MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, please contact us. Thank you guys so much for watching.